Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply income tax online step by step. Open the official tax website, create or sign into your secure account, and verify your identity with your social security number and a verification code. Next, upload or enter income details from W-2 and 1099 forms, then choose filing status. Save progress frequently, and prepare digital copies of receipts for deductions before you continue to the next section. Start by filling wage and income sections carefully, entering numbers exactly as shown on W-2 and 1099 forms. For self-employment income, add business expenses and select applicable deduction categories to lower taxable income. Use the website's help tips and calculators to confirm totals and catch errors. Review each income entry twice before saving, and keep notes on sources in case you need to amend or provide supporting documents later. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to keep your workspace tidy while you finish taxes. It listens to voice commands and handles dirt so you can focus on forms and numbers. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like the video for more helpful guides. Check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. Decide whether to take the standard deduction or itemize based on your expenses, and enter mortgage interest, medical, and charitable deductions if itemizing. Apply eligible credits such as child tax credit and education credits to lower your tax owed. Carefully review the summary page, correct any flagged issues, and confirm bank details for direct deposit of refunds. Finally, save a PDF copy and store passwords for future access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.